Hello guys, today I'll be showing guys how to decrypt your own and ccrypt and decrypt your own files. So to basically do this, what you guys will need to install is this package to decrypt and encrypt all files, to basically hide it and add a password to it. So this is what we'll be doing. So to install it, what you guys will need to do is that, okay, now I have to install the package. So let me just do clear. I now have to do the sudo apt install ccrypt. Yeah, we have it installed. That's cool. I have to do update with system, just check for any updates. Sudo apt update. Okay, so that will check for any updates if there's any. Sure, it'll take a few minutes. Okay, cool. So now it can do clear. And now what we have to do is create a file. So to do this, just do cd, and we should be back here, ls, and now we can go to cd documents. I already have a file though, but I will show you guys how to do this. So I have to do a favorite editor. It could be Film or Nano, but we could do a basically if I want. And now we can do fish. For me, it'll be txt. And then I can edit it if I wanted to. So it'll be fish.txt. I think it's a little bit different, but fish is cool. Fish is tasty and awesome. Fish is very nice with chips. I love fish. Fish is flying and swimming in the sky. Tom is confused. Anyway guys, it's just a stupid example, but what we guys can do is Control X to exit, and now we can do Y, and now we can write it. Okay guys, so we have created this file, right? So now we won't be able to open it. So if we try to open it, then it will come out as a failure. Actually, no, we should be able to open it like this. I haven't encrypted it yet, what I'm on about. So now we can have to encrypt it, and to do this, what you guys have to do is follow these commands. I'm not very good at remembering stuff, so I write down a note to that just to help myself and to help you guys to encrypt the files. If you do ccencrypt, now where our file is at, for me, because I'm in the documents area, all I basically need to do is do the file name. And now this should allow it to create a password. For me it'll be 123. We can do basically whatever we want. And now what you guys can do is, now when you try to open it, we can't, because it's encrypted. That means you can't open it. And now to decrypt it, what you guys have to do is this command. Okay, so to decrypt it, you need to do the ccencrypt. So this should decrypt it. Now do fish.txt. Okay, ccrypt. So yeah, because I wrote an M wrong, which was wrong. Don't put an N. Right, now do fish.txt, and what that should do is that it should decrypt the file. So as guys will see, we can reopen it. It's a very simple tutorial. I might as well go through it one more time if you guys maybe found an issue. Alright, to do this, so you have to do this, crypt, and now we can do fish.txt. This is how to encrypt a file. It would be it's crypt. Okay, so do this command, okay, to encrypt a file, and I have to do fish.txt, and that should allow it to encrypt it. Put down a simple password, for maybe 123. Okay, so we have encrypted it. So to encrypt it, we need to do ccencrypt, crypt fish.txt. So it's as simple as that. Okay, now we won't be able to open it. As you guys can see, we can't open it because it's encrypted. To decrypt it, what you guys will need to do is do that ccencrypt. So do this command. It will be ccdecrypt. So this is how we can do it. And now what you guys have to do is now do fish.txt, and that should allow you to decrypt it like this. And now we should be able to access the file. So yeah guys, that was a tutorial on how to do this basic thing. We can reopen up the file, we can encrypt it, we can basically do whatever we want with this. It's very simple to do. And this is the text command, by the way guys, so we can just copy this if we wanted to. But yeah, basically this was just a simple tutorial to show you guys how to encrypt and decrypt some files in your Linux machine, for in case we're sharing for our same PC and there's some important information I want to hide from people. Anyway guys, thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah guys, I will see you guys next time. Bye.